everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today as usual we have brought you another video where I will be showing you how you can fix your notification problem on your Snapchat app. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, we'll simply go back and then you will tap on your Snapchat app. And once your app is open, you will simply tap on this profile icon on your top left corner, tap on that. Go to settings. Yeah, you will go to settings and you will find this option called notifications. Simply tap on it and make sure that you have all of the notifications enabled over here. Because if it's not, if you're having a problem with notification on Bitmojis, then that means you might not have turned on that particular notification over here. So if you're having any of the problems mentioned over here and you're not getting them in your notifications, then that could be the problem, that you must not have turned them on your notifications of your Snapchat. So you will simply just come here and then simply turn on all of the notifications. And the other thing that you can make sure is you will simply just go to your settings and go to apps, and you will go to apps again. Here you can simply scroll down or search the particular app. Once your app is there, simply tap on that and then tap on this notifications option. So here you can see the notification is over here, and its allow notification option is not on. That means you will not get the notifications and you will have a problem with that. So if you make sure that you have your notification on over there, so you can get all the notifications. And here you can see the notification type as well. So if you're having any of the problems with any of the type over here, you can simply tap on that particular and see if the notifications are turned on for them or not. And if you, once you're done with that, you can simply go back and try to log into your Snapchat and try to use it as usual. So yeah, those are the problems and the solutions for your notification problem for a Snapchat app. I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and thank you so much for watching our video till the end. I'll see you guys next time.